Welcome to the Totally Honest Cooking Show. I'm Mark. Today we're doing Parmesan asparagus, and I have in front of me one of those all-purpose cookbooks that I love. Betty Crocker's cookbook, everything you need to know from scratch. I like this kind of cookbook because it claims to teach you everything you need to know about cooking, and if you have 3 or 4 of these, you can start to see how recipes work, and you can modify them at your leisure, right? We're not doing that today. We're just going to make some freaking asparagus, so let's get started. Now, we're going to start by breaking off the ends. You could cut these, but most people apparently break them. So break them off where you see the woody pieces, and then we'll get started. Notice all of them will break somewhere. You want the bendy parts, you don't want the tough parts. So once you've snapped off the tough ends, we're ready to boil the asparagus. We've got a pot of water over here. I'm trying to get into more vegetables on this channel. Usually, I'm a roasted vegetables guy. I'm a buy-it-in-the-bag kind of guy. One reason that I do this show is to learn how to do more things. So if I didn't say the weights before, we got about 1.5 pounds of asparagus, and we've got 1 inch of boiling water. It says you can do this in a saucepan, but I wanted something about the size of the asparagus, and I wasn't sure how much the asparagus was going to break when I broke it. So just toss that in there, give it a little wobble, bring it back up to a simmer, and let it go for about 4 minutes. That's what we're doing. We're also going to heat our oven to 375 degrees. I'm going to add some olive oil to my baking pan. I'm going to take some green onion. It says use a medium green onion. I'm using as much as I want. Tablespoon of olive oil if I didn't say. Tablespoon of butter going in there. I like garlic, so I'm using 2 cloves of garlic, and I'm going to crush them where it says to mince them because crushed garlic expresses a little better. Express yourself, garlic. I'm going to pop this in there and let them know each other. Okay, we've melted all that in our 375 degree oven. Give it another little mix. Make sure everybody knows each other. Now we're going to add our asparagus. Mix everybody around. You want to get the asparagus as covered as possible with your butter and oil mixture. Make sure that the garlic and the onion didn't get moved to the bottom. Well, you know what I mean. Now we're going to do salt and pepper to taste. So, starting with 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Another little mix. Jerkins, if we have to do a voiceover on this because the ice cream truck is here, let me know. And a couple twists of freshly ground black pepper. Oh, we almost forgot the Parmesan for our garlic Parmesan asparagus. This is 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. And it is freshly grated. Grate your own cheese if you can. It'll melt up a treat. We're putting this back in for 10 minutes or until everybody's nice and melty. Ten minutes later and you're ready to eat. Right? It's good too. Okay, like, subscribe, click that little bell, maybe share us with a friend. I'll see you next Wednesday. Remember, anyone can cook, especially you. Bye.